Zion medicine, reggae, yeah, man. Oh yeah. After this storm, the sky reveal. Rainbow covenant, Jasil. 7 colors, holy sign. Promised until end of time. Babylon crumble, wall follow. Rainbow shine for all to know. Every tear Jah wipe away. Rainbow bring the brighter day. Children point and start to sing. Rainbow show the hope Jah bring. Elder smile and youth man cheer. Rainbow say Jah always near. Not in silver, not in gold, but the rainbow truth unfold. Every heart a witness stand. Rainbow cover every land. Across the sea, across the sky, rainbow sign no man deny. War may rage and fire burn, still the rainbow always return. No weapon strong, no tongue can lie. Rainbow shine in Jah's sky, eternal vow, eternal flame. Rainbow chant Jah holy name. Mount Zion crowned with holy light. Rainbow glowing morning bright. Babylon try to build a dam, but ocean stronger than a man. Every drop a holy flame, ocean carry journey. Fisherman chant upon the sea. Ocean of Zion set him free. Children swim and dolphins play. Ocean guide the righteous way. Not of greed, not of war. Ocean carry love ashore. Every tide a holy song. Ocean flow forever long. Storm may rise and ships may fall. Ocean still embrace us all. No iron chain can bind the wave. Ocean strong, the people say. Rivers run from mountain high. Ocean meet the open sky. Endless circle, truth remain. Ocean wash away the pain. Traveling far from shore to shore. Ocean showed you evermore. Ancient mariner, lift the hand. Ocean guide him to the land. Babylon fleet may boast and roar, but ocean crush them to the floor. Jah creation pure and white. Ocean of Zion rising tide. Songs of waves beneath the deep. Ocean sing while people sleep. Every creature great and small. Ocean cradle carry all. No beginning, no end to see. Ocean chant eternity. Everlasting, never gone. Ocean sing the holy song. Flow, flow, mighty tide. Carry people far and wide. Wash the sorrow, cleanse the land. Ocean move by Jah hand. Ocean of Zion wide and strong. Carry the people all along. From the river to the sea. Ocean chant eternity. Forever flowing, pure and free. Ocean guide humanity.
No, no, no. Kingston cushion on me long brother.
Beat the drum, the heartbeat sound. Drums of Zion shake the ground. Every nation hear the call. Drums of joy unite them all. Not in weapon, not in gun, but in drum the victory won. Every rhythm, every tone. Drums connect the flesh and bone. Children gather, circle round. Drums of nations shake the town. Elder chant, young ones dance. Drums of Zion give a chance. No division, no more fight. sing. Drums of nations echo ring. India, Asia, island shore. Drums of Zion evermore. Every people, every tribe. Drums of Zion keep alive. Not a border, not a wall. Drums of Zion break them all. Night and fire, morning sun. Drums of nations beat as one. Every echo, every sound. Drums of Zion still resound. Babylon system can't withstand. Drums beat strong by Jahan. Generation after time. Drums still chant the sacred rhyme. Spirit lift me soul arise. Drums of Zion fill the skies. Every step become a prayer. Drums remind your people care. From creation till today. Drums of nations guide the way. Everlasting, pure and free. Drums of Zion unity. Beat, beat, drum of fire. Lift the people higher and higher. Drums of nations beat along. Carry Zion holy song. Drums of nations loud and strong. Unite the people all along. Every heartbeat, every tone. Drums of Zion call we home. Forever beating true and free. Drums of Zion unity. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Kaya smoke with Zion Raga, yeah, man. In the garden tall and wide, sacred tree of Zion hide. Roots so deep in holy ground, branches spread for miles around. Every leaf a story tell. Sacred tree remember well. Babylon fire can't consume. Sacred tree forever bloom. Children play beneath the shade. Sacred tree where peace is made. Elders sit and chant a song. Sacred tree keep people strong. Not in palace, not in throne. Sacred tree forever known. Every fruit a gift from Jah. Sacred tree uphold the law. Birds a sing upon the limb. Sacred tree a righteous aim. River flow beside the root. Sacred tree bear holy fruit. Generations come and go. Sacred tree still grow and grow. Never bending, never gone. Sacred tree keep carrying on. Swing. Still the tree of Zion cling. Not of timber, not of gold. Sacred tree the prophet stole. Every shade a place of rest. Sacred tree protect the blessed. Babylon plan can't destroy. Sacred tree bring joy. Children climb and mothers pray. Sacred tree show righteous way. Fathers chant and nations bow. Sacred tree forever now. From creation till today. Sacred tree guide every way. Everlasting, strong and free. Zion root in sacred tree. Grow, sacred root, bearing fruit of holy truth. Rise, branches high. Sacred tree, reach the sky. Sacred tree of Zion land, planted by the holy hand. Fruit of life, shade of peace. Sacred tree where war shall cease. Forever standing strong and free. Zion root in sacred tree. Rasta the sweat guy man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing, pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree, roots so deep. Shade the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree all people seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion tree fi one and all. It stand through storm, it stand through flame. Zion tree exalt your name. Eternal branches strong and tall. Zion tree protect we all. Me sit beneath the holy shade. Zion tree Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree Jah truly blessed. Forever growing, never cease. Zion tree bring Jah peace. From mountain high to valley low. Zion tree forever grow. No Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree wear holy crown. It grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree reach to the sky. Forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree eternity. Holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree for me and you. When the trumpet sound again, Zion tree still remain. Forever standing, never gone. Zion tree forever strong. It called the nations, called them near. Zion tree forever here. Holy growing, pure and free. Zion tree eternity. Grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree forever guide. No chain, no axe can cut away. Zion tree forever stay. Zion tree, roots so deep. Shade the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. From age to age, from day to night. Zion tree forever light. No, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Flowing pure from Zion Hill. River run by Jah will. Cool the land, refresh the heart. Wash away the wicked part. Every wave a blessing send. Every stream a truth to men. River of Jah never dry. Carry peace as it pass by. River of Jah love, deep and wide. Wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain. Bring the joy through sun and rain. It touch
Jaja light from dawn again till evening fade, reversing what Jah has made. It never cease, it never bend. River run from start to end, carry blessing from above. River of eternal love, flow high, flow far, carry Jah true to who we are. From spring to sea, from rain to tide, river of love will ever guide. No wall, no fear can make it stop. River of Jah overflow drop. River of Jah love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. From mountain crown to ocean floor, river of Jah forever pour. River of Jah love, breathe and life, wash the soul from pain inside.
Na 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 na, Zion Reggae. Na 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 na, Zion Reggae.
Bloom so bright in morning dew, garden grow with life anew. Every flower a sacred sign, every tree a root divine. Peaceful ground where love can grow, truth and light in river flow. Garden of Jah lush and free, show the path of destiny. Garden of Zion, pure and fair, Jah creation everywhere. Fruit of wisdom, leaf of grace, holy ground, a sacred place. It feed the hungry, heal the poor, open wide the righteous door. It shade the weary, calm the mind, plant of love for all mankind. No drought can kill, no storm destroy. Garden bloom with endless joy. Babylon hand can claim this soil. Zion garden fruit me toil. It grow the herb, fi cure the pain. It teach the farmer, bless the rain. It hold the root of history, tell the tale of prophecy. Every stem a story told, every bud a gift of gold. In the garden, hearts unite, walk together in Jah light. Me walk upon the sacred ground, hear the silent holy sound. It say, hold firm, don't lose the way. Zion bloom come every day. It guide the hand, it guide the seed, teach the soul of Jaja creed. Every breath a blessing true, garden grow in me and you. When the evening falls so sweet, garden sing in rhythm beat. Stars above and earth below, Zion garden ever grow. From first dawn to endless time, sacred garden stay divine. Love and peace forever stand, garden grow in every land. Bloom high, bloom wide, Zion garden never hide. From soil to sky, from root to leaf, garden bring just soul relief. Garden of Zion, pure and fair, Jah creation everywhere. Fruit of wisdom, Jah bless the people, yeah man. Yeah. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face, chant a little prayer. Ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on rock where cool rivers flow. Me burn one, give thanks to Jah. For life, for breath, for every star.
Secret fire,
blaze it high. Chant down illusion, reach the sky. Sacred fire, burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire, cleanse me soul. In a Zion flame we feel whole. Me listen deep to me heartbeat drum. Ancient call from where me roots come from. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me chase wisdom, real Rasta aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Mystic rhythm running through me tree. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul aligned. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me inhale breath, exhale fear. Me feel your presence, Jah Jah name. Fire, blaze it high.
Rasta light never dies.
Sacred fire,
Still my mind, inner peace is what I find.
sacred fire, show the way.
One love, one heart every day.
She sit beside eyes so close. Hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel. That real love, that Rasta seal. Children gather, elders we beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song. We burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin, it burns sin, ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near. Zion roots, Zion roots. Oh, Zion roots. Oh, yes, Zion roots. Oh, hey. Them lock we up in mental jail. Them feed we fast food and fairy tale. Them sell we fair like market fruit, while we forget the ancient root. Me see the youth, them hypnotized by screen and sound and sweet disguise. But me not blind, me still a feel the system fake, me spirit real. Me wake up in a Babylon dream where Them bleach the truth, them twist the name. Them point the finger, shift the blame. But me nah bow, me nah retreat. Me walk with lion in the street. Me hold me head through storm and flame. Me soul too high, fi play them game. Iron chains, golden souls. Them can't touch what Jah control. Though we walk through fire and stone, we rise as kings from dust and bone. Me chant for the voiceless, chant for the poor. Me knock on consciousness door. So hear the drum and free your roll. Break the chains and claim your soul. Me see them love, control and badge. Them drive them ego like a mad carriage judge. Them build high towers, plastic throne, but still them scared to be alone. Me say me nah need diamond ring. Me value life, not what bling bring. Me rather sleep on dirt and straw than praise a king with bloody law. Me granny tell me truth in song. The wicked reign, but not for long. Me take them words like sacred book and plant it deep in every book. Them colonize the past and now, but we they are still and we know how. Me use me roots like warrior blade. Me lyrics sharp, me message brave. And when me rising at the early light, me give thanks for breath and vision right. Me see Jah hand in everything, from river flow to bird wing. Them label we as rebel soul, but a freedom fire we control. Me nas a puppet, me nas a doll. Me soul a thunder, hear it rule. Iron chains, golden souls. Them can't touch what.
Smoking chalice in the jungle, yeah man. Barefoot me step on red earth clay. Me feel the pulse from a ancient day. Drum a beat like thunder roll. Echo deep down in a me soul. Me eye closed but me see clear. Spirit calling from far and near. Me nah need no plan, no map. Jah rhythm guide me step by step. Heart beat inna the drum me say. Calling all soul fi come me say. Dancing round this sacred fire. Lift your spirit, take your higher. Boom boom, boom boom, it nah lie. It a the truth we can't deny. From Zion plain to African coast, we chant for life, we chant for growth. Me see me sister spin with breeze. Her foot them talk like them at ease. Me brother chant them ancient word. No page, no book, just spirit heard. We now wear chain, we wear crown. Rasta robe in a rootsy gown. Me spirit rise like morning sun. When me feel the rhythm, me and it become one. Me say, who hear the drum? We hear the drum. Who ready for dance? We ready for dance. Who carry light? We carry light. Who walk with Jah? We walk with Jah. Heartbeat inna the drum, me say. Rhythm beat strong like lion breath. Tide of spirit, wave of sound. Lift we up and spin we round. Fire blaze in a cool night here. Drum line up, me no a prayer. Me na fear, me na fall. Drum make me rise, make me stand tall. Me lose me name but find me root. Me dance barefoot, me pick wild fruit. The rhythm now come from speaker box. It rise from stone, from wind, from rocks. Every beat a memory bond from when me ancestors did one. stay true to your heart and breath. Drum will guide you on life and death. Boom, 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 me feel it strong. The drum still beat though the night is long. Circle tight, we not go stray. We follow the drum till break of day.
Aye, 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 Zion Reggae, yeah, man. At Zion's gate, the righteous stand. Just stretch forth his holy hand. It open wide, it open true. Zion's gate for me and you. No Babylon can bar the way. Zion's gate forever stay. Eternal entrance, pure and strong. Zion's gate, a holy song. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. It welcome humble, welcome meek. Zion's gate, all people seek. Forever open, never close. Zion's gate, Jah love disclose. It shine with gold, it shine with flame. Zion's gate, exalt Jah name. Eternal pathway, bright and free. Zion's gate, for you and me. Me walk the road, me hear the call. Zion's gate, for one and all. No man denied, no chain can bind. Zion's gate, for all mankind. Forever holy, never still. Zion's gate, Jah holy will. From mountain high to valley low. Zion's gate, the path we know. It guide the nations, guide the earth. Zion's gate of holy birth. Forever shining, never dim. Zion's gate, eternal hymn. It welcome child, it welcome all. Zion's gate, more bright than gold. Eternal open, strong and tall. Zion's gate, for one and all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion's gate still remain. It open wide, it never cease. Zion's gate, eternal peace. Forever shining, pure and true. Zion's gate, for me and you. Holy strong and brave. Tell the story, chant this song, guide the people all along. Every word a root so deep, every call a vow to keep. Voice of Zion, pure and wise, speak the truth, no man denies. Voice of the ancients, loud and clear, call the children far and near. Teach the way from time before. Open wide your wisdom door. It whisper in the wind at night, tell the seeker walk in light. It speak through drum, it speak through fire. Lift the spirit, make it higher. From desert sand to ocean wide, voice of Jah will always guide. No silence hold, no power chain. Ancient voice forever reign. It tell the youth respect the land, hold the silent righteous hand. It guide the elder to recall lessons given to us all. It teach the people unity, live in love and harmony. No hatred stand, no greed survive. When ancient wisdom come alive, me hear it call from forest green, in vision clear, in holy dream. It say, my child, stay strong and true. Jah eternal, walk with you. It tell the tribe to rise and sing, honor life in everything. Voice eternal, never end, guide forever, soul's true friend. When the morning sun arise, voice still echo through the skies. From generation down the line, ancient word remain divine. It never fade, it never bend. Voice of Jah will always send. From first chant to final breath, ancient voice defeat all death. Speak loud, speak strong. Ancient voice, live on so long. From root to crown, from sky to earth, voice remind we of our word. Voice of the ancients, loud and clear, call the children far and near. Teach the way from time before. Open wide your wisdom door. From Zion root to Zion height, voice of Jah will guide the night. Na 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 na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Morning rise on Zion hill, light of Jah shining still. Bird them sing, the earth rejoice. Zion morning, holy voice. It called the children, called carry me. It lift the weary, heal the soul. Zion morning make we whole. Eternal shining never cease. Zion morning bring Jah peace. Me see the elder greets the day. Zion morning lights the way. Forever holy, never wrong. Zion morning chant a song. It bless the nation, bless the child. Zion morning meek and mild. From east to west, from shore to shore. Zion morning evermore. It rise eternal, rise so high. Zion morning fill the sky. Forever glowing, never dim. Zion morning holy hymn. No Babylon can block the flame. Zion morning call Jah name. Eternal shining strong and wide. Zion morning Jah provide. When the trumpet sound again, Zion morning still remain. It rise eternal, never gone. Zion morning forever strong, forever shining, holy flame. Zion morning praise Jah name. far. Carry the word of who we are, from root to leaf, from shore to plain. Wind of Jah forever reign. No gate, no chain can hold it back. Wind of Zion, stay on track. Wind of Zion, swift and strong. Carry the truth where it belongs. Lift the prayer to heaven's door. Spread Jah love forevermore. From dawn to dusk, from earth to sky. Wind of Jah will never die. Smoke your man, shining bright from holy peak, light of Jah to all who seek. Cut through darkness, chase the night, guide the people in truth and light. Every beam a blessing send, every glow a wound to mend. Light of Zion never fade. Show the path Jah hand has made. Light of Mount Zion, warm and clear. Burn away the doubt and fear. Lead the way through storm and shade. Shine until peace is made. Each morn with golden glow, over hills where blessings flow. It touched the poor, it touched the king. Same bright love for everything. It shine on path, it light the door. Tell the soul to strive for more. Babylon cloud can't hide its ray. Light of Jah will find the way. I keep.
Na 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 na, smoke a split inna the nature, yeah man. Inna the hills where the sun touch land, me build me temple with me own two hand. Surrounded by trees, a river run clear. No noise of machine, only nature me hear. Me light up the fire, me chant in peace. Me burn the herb and me soul release. Each draw a journey, each breath a guide. Me no need no riches when Jah provide. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate, me na hesitate. Feel liberate, one spliff, one love. Me meditate, no hate can penetrate. In a Ganja Temple, we not pretend. From roots to crown, we transcend. Jackal-I and I ascend. In a sacred fire without end. Them say me mad, them say me lost, but me live good without the cost. No plastic smile, me na wear mask. Me live free, that's me only task. Me chant for the youth in a Babylon. Me tell them truth, them can't unlearn. But me nah preach war or fight. Me show them star and guide them light. So me sit in a silence, deep in a trance. Me soul do a mystic dance. Each leaf a scripture, each puff a psalm. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay calm. Me no chase fame, me no beg likes. Me just walk truth, me ride me bike. With the herb in a me pack and the drum in a me soul. Me chant fi heal and make them whole. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate, me na rush. Me meditate, me mind pure, like spring we run. Me spirit rise up like the sun. In a Ganja Temple, me feel Jah near. Me hear the voice, only love can hear. No fear, just clear vibration. Me live for the next generation. Me see me brethren chanting a grove. Them foot beer, them chanting code. Me sister bred up like lioness. She hold the chalice and smoke the stress. The elders speak in ancient tongue. Them say hold firm youth, your journey just begun. So me listen deep, me humble now. Me learn the secrets of the sacred vow. Now me rise up from the ground. Ganja Temple, a holy sound. No concrete, no wall of sin. Just wind and drum and truth within. If you seek Jah, come trot this way. Me greet you at dawn with a chalice and pray. In a this temple, no man rule, just roots, reggae and Rasta school.
wide world.